Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will guide you on how to view your block list in Telegram on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your PC. Step 2. Locate and click on the 3 lines icon at the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. From the options that appear, choose Settings. Step 4. A new window will open. In this window, click on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Look for the Block Users option and click on it. Now, you can see your block list. This list contains the names of all the contacts you have blocked on Telegram. It's a great feature to maintain your privacy and control who can interact with you. Here's a quick tip. If you want to block someone, you can do it directly from this section. Just click on Block User and select the contact you want to block. By following these simple steps, you can easily view your block list and manage blocked contacts on Telegram using your PC. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.